Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. This is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel, where we give you daily updates on the crypto market and all the opportunities that crypto provides, such as airdrops, DeFi, NFT, and passive income IDs. So tune in into my channel, put in your notifications so you don't miss out all the upcoming videos. I will be posting daily content. Today we will be talking about Safuu. Safuu is a passive income ID. This is very risky, so I would not recommend anyone to invest in this. But I just want to share the opportunity for the people who have a high risk portfolio. You can drop as low as $5 to $10, $100, or even more than that. It depends who you are and what your risk is. So for everyone who's watching this, please don't go buy immediately Safuu, but just listen to the opportunity that I'm showing you and then look what you want to do yourself and do your own research on that. Let's get into it. Safuu is only launched from March 2022, so it's only like 1 month on the market. We can also see it had an all-time low of $125 and an all-time high of $227. But if we go to CoinMarketCap, normally we will see a lowest price of $50, something like that. Let's take a look. Click on all. Yes, as you can see. So it really launched February, the 3rd of February. Then it went up straight, then it retested, and now it's ranging in this price. So it's a bit stable. That's why I'm sharing it. As you can see, people here, Safuu changed my life. Safuu is the only protocol that I'm invested in, making me money. I've doubled my initial investment in less than a month. So in my opinion, if you're just quick in and out on this, you're gonna make profit. But please don't put in more than you're willing to lose. Before you invest, you should think I'm gonna lose. That's the thing you should do. That's what I'm saying to everyone. So if you put in 10 euros, just think like, okay, I'm 10 euros gone. So that's how I'm looking at it. So I'm saying this for everyone. Let's take a look at the website of Safuu. As you can see, I have a balance of 0.5 Safuu. I just did this. I just put in $100 to see how it works. And as you can see, I don't need to do anything. The only thing we need to do, we go to Safuu. We just go to the downside and we can trade it on PancakeSwap for VBNB. This is wrapped BNB or USDT stablecoin. So the only thing I did was came to here. I took out my VBNB. Then I choose Safuu. And I just traded this. And by trading this and holding this into my wallet currently, it's just staking from itself. This is auto-compounding, auto-staking. You have to know the person behind it is called Brian Legend. He had some other projects, Cleaver DeFi, and another one, I don't know what it is. And they all crashed and people lost money. He also had an exchange, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm not trusting this person, but what I know is if you're quick into projects like this, you can make really a lot of money. Because let us say it's just now live. You also have to know they have a crazy APY. If you look at the account, they have an APY of so basically if you put in 1,000 you will receive 380,000 a year. So you have daily ROI of 2.28%. This means if we go to the calculator, let's say the amount that I have inputted in, after 10 days, I would already have my money back. If it stays at this price, I would already have my money back that I put in plus profit. So what I'm going to be doing then is just sell my Safuu. And by selling this, I will just have a risk-free investment that will make me $10 a day by investing $100. So this is why this can be really lucrative. If you have found out this project at $60, you put in 1,000, you would now make a lot of money. Let's say price was, let's say $100 even, and you buy 1,000, so you have 10 Safuu. In 10 days, you would already have $2,500. So you would already in. This is wrong. You have to put this also at 100. All right. So in, so let us say that you buy it at 100. It stays at 100. One day would make you $20 a day, 2% each day. And then if you look further, after 40, 50 days, you will be break even. And then you can take out your investment and you have a risk-free investment that will keep earning you 2% a day. They will make this, they will drop this current APY, like 10% will be left. So now we have this much, we have 380,000, but it will be, when everything stops, it will be 38,000. So in 12 months, they will change everything about this protocol. So that's why I'm saying if you get in now, there's a possibility to be quick into it and make money onto this. So I'm just sharing this opportunity very quick. I had no time to make other YouTube videos. I had no time to edit. I had a very busy personal day. When I started YouTube, I said I'm gonna post daily. Sometimes it's hard, but I keep grinding to provide you daily content. So if this video has some misspoken parts, I'm excusing myself for this, and I hope you understand and I hope you appreciate the content that I keep sharing and the value. And if you like what you see, please leave a subscribe to my channel. This helps me a lot. I will just show you step by step for the people who are interested how you can set yourself up and earn some APY into this protocol. You just go to Safuu. First of all, make sure go to PancakeSwap and make sure if you have BNB that you take this BNB like I'm going to be doing. Take this BNB, bring it to this, and let's say 0.322. Wrap this to VBNB or to USDT, whatever you want. All right, confirm. Then if you have confirmed this, you just go back to this page. You click onto Safuu VBNB. When you have clicked onto this, you will get another transaction. Click this way. All right, we have Safuu right here. Now we do this. We chose this to VBNB. Let's do max. We have this. All right. Click swap. It is possible it's not gonna work, so I would recommend everyone your slippage tolerance. Try at 10. If it doesn't work, you should be doing more. As I said, it's not working. Slippage 50%. Try it. No, not working. So just gonna do 20%. All right, swap, yes. You have to know I'm willing to lose this money. This is BNB that I earn by staking my BNB token. I stake in the Trust wallet. If you want a tutorial on how to do this, just leave a comment. All right, confirm this. So I'm basically playing with risk-free money myself. So this is just, basically it's my own money, but I earned this by staking BNB, so it's passive income, and I want to risk that passive income into this protocol of Safuu and maybe earn myself some very good money. But you never know. I will give you an example. I was into this protocol when it was at $800. I'm still into it. I'm still compounding. I'm still earning Klima DAO. This is a fork of Olympus. I don't know if you know Olympus, OHM. You can see this one also crashed very hard. All-time high was 1,500. Now is at $20. It's just that. So you have to be quick in these protocols. But as you can see, if you get in here, you pay a very small price while you're earning big percentage, and then you can just cash out in this range. So yeah, that's it. I'm just warning you, like, don't get super excited when I'm putting my money into Safuu and thinking that it's legit, because I really don't want to make you sad or something, or get scammed by this project, because I'm gonna be honest, I really don't trust the guy. I don't trust him. But I am a risky person, very risky. Um, this has made me a lot of money in the past, but I also lose a lot of money. You have to know, I just want to share this with the community. It's very important. The way I made money in crypto, honestly, I didn't make money with Bitcoin or Ethereum or some other top altcoins or whatever. I made money with very, very undervalued small altcoins. What I did was very simple. When I first started in crypto, I started using $500, and I just took five very risky altcoins, but with a very good fundamental background also. Not all of them. Some of them had really big hype. I knew it can blow up. Let me put in $100. Let me cash out at 300. Things like that. But what I did was basically coins that are under the market cap of 100 million, and I put in 105 of them. And then I just hold. And when I feel that the whole crypto market is at a turning point, we have a top in the market or a local top. It doesn't need to be the biggest top of all of them. I didn't sell all of my crypto in May 2021, but you can feel it when things go too hard. If you put 100 in a coin and it goes to $2,000, yeah, then you should cash out $1,500 and leave 500 or something. And if you're, everyone have to decide this for yourself. I know people, they put in 100, they get out 2,000, they totally get out of the project. Then you have people, they leave a moon back. I personally recommend everyone to leave a moon back. If you put $100 in a project, let's say Safuu, you put in $100, this goes to 1,000 a coin, and then you just cash out $400 and you leave the 100 investment, you just leave it. So you cash out $100 from your investment, $300 profit, and $100 is still risk-free in the project, because if the project keeps going good and it becomes a very good project and it's sustainable, then you still have a very good investment. That's why I do this, to not miss out. So yeah, just traded now my VBNB for Safuu, and now you will see this is updated immediately. If you click onto account and I connect my wallet, you will see, all right, I have already my balance fully onto it. So I invested $200 into Safuu, and I will keep you updated. What's gonna happen? There's a big possibility, people, this will go to zero and I will lose my money. But I'm trying this and I want to share this with the YouTube community and show you there are some very risky possibilities that can maybe potentially earn you a lot of money or rug pull you, scam you, and you lose your money. So the risk is up to you. If you have any questions or any other things you want to ask about this project, if you know some other projects like this, some protocols like this, staking protocols with very, very high risk, just leave a comment. And if you know other staking protocols or other opportunities in crypto with less risk, doesn't matter what, just share it into the comments and I will take a look into it. This one I'm not making a really good video about, putting in my time, because it's not worth it. Otherwise I would explain every detail about it, but in my opinion it's not worth it. Also, you have to know you can go to RugDoc. If you don't know that, RugDoc will basically say what's good about the project, what not. Number one, DeFi safety and community. So make sure to take a look at this. Go check out what they think about Safuu, and then you will see, as you can see, high risk, some risk, medium risk. Let's say if you take in Safuu, all right, you can see they have done KYC on RugDoc. There's some risk. but it's not high risk or medium. There's some risk. So this is already better than the other protocols you see right here. So yeah, just make sure to take a look at it, do your own research, think about everything. Go check out the guy on Twitter. Go check him out on YouTube. He's making videos about his own project. You can see it right here. They also did a Tesla giveaway in May. There's a lot of hype for this project. That's why I'm stepping into it. So maybe I can profit of that. But I will keep you updated if I get scammed or if I make money onto this. And I hope to see you into the next quality video, because I will be dropping another video tomorrow, and this will be edited, custom edited, put it in my time, everything. So if you appreciate content like this, please leave a comment, and I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye. Have a good day. Blessings.